This is how to be the most insufferable person in the world.
I'm Rose.
I'm Emily, and this is a tutorial on how to be the most insufferable person in the world.
Your clothes are so dirty, they look like they came from a dumpster.
I'm not going to stop talking about my rats. And you know what? I'm not going to stop talking about Will Wood either.
Oh, you went to Grand Island? I went to the Bahamas thrice this year.
Did you know that before Will Wood's band was created, he had another band called Jam Face?
Oh, you only speak English? I could speak French. Le croissant.
I have rats, guys. I have rats. I have 2 rats. You need to have at least 2 rats or else it's abuse. And the cage needs to be really big. And also wide because they need to run. But other people don't know that, so they only get tiny little cages. And that's actually animal bees. And I love my rats.
Oh my god, Gucci's my favorite store.
Rats. Will Wood. Lemon Demon.
Oh, your dad works at a convenience store? My dad works at NASA.
That is how you can be the most insufferable person in the world.